REI Adventures Booking Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing REI Adventures, a travel platform that specializes in guided outdoor adventure trips. Links to REI Adventures can be found in the description if you're interested in exploring their trips further or booking one yourself. REI Adventures offers a wide range of guided tours and outdoor experiences, from hiking and cycling to wildlife watching and multi-sport adventures. What makes REI stand out is their focus on immersive experiences that connect travelers with nature, all while ensuring a high level of comfort and expertise. Their trips are designed for active travelers who want to explore the outdoors in a more structured and guided way. One of the key features of REI Adventures is the variety of trip options tailored to different skill levels, from beginners to advanced adventurers. Whether you're looking for a moderate trek through the national parks of the US or a more challenging mountain bike ride in the Alps, REI Adventures has something to match your interests and fitness level. This makes it ideal for a wide range of travelers, from solo adventurers to families and small groups. The platform is user-friendly, allowing you to easily browse through destinations, activities, and trip lengths. Each trip comes with detailed itineraries, so you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of daily activities, accommodations, and group dynamics. Booking through REI is straightforward, and you can quickly reserve your spot for your chosen adventure. Another benefit of using REI Adventures is their commitment to sustainability and responsible travel. They prioritize eco-friendly practices, support local communities, and ensure that their trips have a positive impact on the destinations they visit. This makes REI a great choice for eco-conscious travelers who want to explore the world while minimizing their environmental footprint. REI Adventures is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who want to explore the world in an active and sustainable way. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or someone looking to try something new, REI Adventures offers well-organized, guided experiences that make it easy to enjoy the great outdoors. For more details, check the links in the description.